Fourth grade, it is Friday, May 1st. It's May Day. Do you know what May Day traditions are? You might have to Google that and find that out. There's some really fun things that people usually do on May Day. It is also Secret Codes Day so let's get to solving. Today for the number detective, make sure you read this first clue. The secret number has 2 digits. It is a decimal number that is, what does that symbol mean? Less than 2.0, but greater than 1.0. You know how I feel about saying point when we're talking about decimals? So let's read that again. It is a decimal number that is less than 2 and 0 tenths, but it is greater than 1 and 0 tenths. So that means it is going to be a decimal and it is going to have 2 digits. It is not going to be greater than 2. So make sure that you are thinking about place value when you work with that. For your riddle today, you are trying to solve the problem of, what did the alien say to the flower in the garden? Now, a very brilliant 4th grader has figured out that you can probably Google the riddles. However, you do not get the clue from your teacher unless you show us the math. So don't take the fun out of it. No spoilers, please. Make sure that you go through and do the math. We are going to solve one of these together. Don't forget your knowledge about subtraction with borrowing, and try not to go too fast when you're solving all the math. When you're going super duper fast, you might find that you make an extra mistake. So the first problem on your alien riddle worksheet is 405 minus 189. If you remember our chant, say it with me, please. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door. All right, so we have more on the floor. 9 is on the floor. So we are definitely going to have to go next door and cross it out. However, our neighbor doesn't have anything to give. So I'm going to go all the way over to the hundreds place, cross out the 4, make it a 3. That 400 becomes 300. I'm going to take my 10 over here. I now have 10. I have to keep borrowing, though, to make sure that I get all the way over to this side. And now my problem is 15 minus 9. More on the top. No need to stop. 15 minus 9 is, what is it, 4th grade? Great, 6. So we're going to put a 6 here. 9 minus 8 is 1. Good job. I did not have to borrow because I can do 9 minus 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. Excellent. All right, let's go back and let's see if 216 is somewhere on our answer key. If it's not, we have done something wrong that we need to double check. Here it is right there. That's excellent news. That means that this A from the problem is going to go right down here to this A. As always, boys and girls, you can pause this video and take a picture of this screen so that you can solve it on paper. You can also hit pause and work directly from your screen. If you would like to type in answers on the computer, you can do that by going to our Week 4 Classkick. You will find that Classkick code on Google Classroom. It was also sent to you on your weekly schedule through Dojo. If you are doing this on paper, you may want to copy down these blanks, similar to if you're playing the game Hangman, and fill in your answers accordingly. Please remember, once you have figured out the mystery number and you have figured out the answer to this riddle, you're going to send the answer to the riddle and the mystery number to your teacher. She may ask you to show her, yes, give Miss Vanny, you're still cool, thank you. She may ask to see your work, and if you have no work to show because you got the riddle from some sneaky place, you will not receive the mystery clue of the day. So make sure you're showing all that integrity and doing all of this hard work, because the cool thing is, not only are you getting clues, you are getting super duper ready for 5th grade. It's been a really fun week of solving clues. We can't wait to see you next week. Have a wonderful day.